Today I am going to tell you about pronoun and its cases. टॉपिक का नाम है pronoun and its cases. देखिए पर्सनल pronoun है, एस केस है जो सब्जेक्टिव केस. When personal pronoun are used as subject, in subjective case we can also say it is used as nominative case. Okay, so personal pronoun जब subjective case में होगा तो क्या होगा, पर्सनल प्रोनाउन जब ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में होगा तो क्या होगा. फिर पर्सनल प्रोनाउन का एक पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव भी होता है और पजेसिव प्रोनाउन भी होता है. एज फॉर एग्जांपल, I am a good boy, still I am quite young, okay, I am a good boy, but if this I is to be used as object, he gives me a chocolate, so I अभी क्या हो गया, me हो गया. ठीक है. So ये देखिए, I फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर, we फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल, he she it थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, they थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल, you फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर प्लूरल सेम. तुम के लिए भी you, तुम लोग के लिए भी you. ओके. नाउ व्हेन पर्सनल प्रोनाउन shall be used in nominative case, subjective case, तो फर्स्ट पर्सन में I होगा, I am a good boy, I am a good teacher, likewise. Okay. And when this pronoun, personal pronoun is to be used in objective case, it will turn into me. He gives a book to me, or he gives me a book. Okay. The same, my, possessive case. This is my, what it is called? It is not stick. What is it is called? Pointer. This is my pointer. Okay. Mine. It is possessive pronoun. This pointer is mine. This is my pen. This pen is mine. This is my pen. Pen is noun. किसका पेन? मेरा पेन. तो पेन नाउन. नाउन को क्वालिफाई किया ना, माई स्पेशल बनाया ना, किसका पेन? मेरा है, तुम्हारा नहीं है. तो my is possessive adjective, and this pen is mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. Okay. Next, we, first person plural. We are friends. Okay. We are good friends. Teacher and students are good friends. We are good friends. Our, this is our class. Okay. Sorry, it is personal pronoun objective case. So we, us, it should be us, it should not be our, it should be us. Suppose the principal gave sweets to us, it should be us. Okay, it should not be our. Personal pronoun objective case is us. The principal gave us sweets on the occasion of Republic Day, or the principal gave sweets to us on the occasion of Republic Day. Okay. Now possessive adjective, this is our class. Possessive pronoun, this class is ours. Okay. Next, he, third person singular for boys, for men, for a man. He is a good boy, he is a good man, likewise. Okay. Him, she gives him a bouquet. She gives a bouquet to him on his birthday. Birthday में एक bouquet present की. Okay. His, it is his chalk. मेरा नहीं है, उसका है, उसने मुझे लाके दिया. ठीक है. It is his chalk, and this chalk is his. This chalk is his. Here his is personal pronoun. Next, she for girls and women. She is a good teacher. So her, I give this chalk to her. Suppose a ma'am is there and I am giving this chalk to her. So her is objective case. Again her is possessive case. This is her chalk. This is her chalk. Chalk is noun. किसका chalk? उनका chalk. Her is adjective. Again hers. This chalk is hers. Means possessive pronoun. Next, it. It for animals. We use it for animals or non-living things. It. It is the best school in this subdivision. Okay, it is the best school in this subdivision. Again, it for objective case. Give, suppose we are giving chapatis to dog. So we can say give a chapati to it. Okay, it refers here to dog. Now it's the car needed its brake to be repaired. Its brake means किसका ब्रेक? कार का ब्रेक. Okay. K3G, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Though the film was, I didn't like the film overall, though its visual were amazing. उसका visual जो भी दृश्य था वो जबरदस्त था, फिर भी मुझको पसंद नहीं आया. वही रोना वही धोना, ठीक है. So it's again it's possessive pronoun. We can similarly use it's in possessive pronoun case. Next, you. You is second person singular as well as plural. You, objective case. You are good students. You. Now objective case. You are good students. You used as subject. If it is used as object, I gave you a chocolate. I subject, gave, B2, you, object. I gave what? I gave whom? You. What gave? Chocolate. There are two objects used in this sentence. Okay. Now your. This is your class. This is your class. Yours. This class is yours. This is your class. Your is possessive adjective and this class is yours. Yours is possessive pronoun. Similarly in letter writing we write yours faithfully, yours obediently. This yours we use. There is no apostrophe. So we should not write any apostrophe in yours faithfully, yours obediently, yours lovingly, yours affectionately. Got it? यहाँ पे कोई apostrophe नहीं है, इसलिए वहां पे apostrophe नहीं होता है, क्योंकि वो क्या होता है? पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन होता है और पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन में एपोस्ट्रोफी नहीं होता है. इसीलिए लोग, लेकिन बच्चे अधिकतर एपोस्ट्रोफियस करते जाते हैं. लास्ट वन, दे थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल. दे आर गुड फेलोज. ओके. देम, आई गेव स्वीट्स टू देम. ओके. देम इज ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. देयर, इट इज देयर क्लास. इट इज okay, it is their classroom. Theirs, this classroom, this school is theirs or this house is theirs. ये उन लोगों का घर है. ठीक है? Got it? Understood? So the same thing should be written in different ways, and when you will write all these words making sentences, your doubts will become crystal clear and you can do nice in your exam if you learn all the meanings and uses of all these words which have been taught today. Thank you.